Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and import in your Start Blogging theme onto your website. And then I'm also going to go over the mini dedicated library of blocks that comes pre-installed with your Start Blogging theme. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that we need to do is get logged into your WordPress dashboard for your website. And the quickest way to do that is to go to yourdomain.com/WP-admin. And so I'm just going to click here and hit enter. And then you'll see this login screen here where you will enter your username and your password that you set up with your web hosting when you first signed up. So I'm going to enter my username and my password here, and I'm going to click login. Another way to access your WordPress dashboard is directly through your hosting. And so whether you signed up for SiteGround or Rocket.net or whichever host that you have, many times you will see a one-click login. So here I am logged into Rocket.net, which I have ethanblackwell.com hosted on. And you'll see that I'm on the sites here on the left-hand side. And there is a WP admin button here in the upper right. So if I click on this, this will be a one-click login to directly get into my dashboard. But I do find that just going to yourdomain.com/WP-admin tends to be the fastest way, and that's what I use. All right, great. So we're signed into our WordPress dashboard. This is what it looks like. And now in order to get our Start Blogging theme downloaded, you'll want to log into your Start Blogging 101 account. So to log into your Start Blogging 101 account, you can go to my.startblogging101.com, and it will likely ask you for your email and then your password. And then once you get logged in, this is the dashboard screen right here. And if you haven't yet set up a password for your Start Blogging 101 account, you will see a little alert up here that says you have not yet set a password. Simply click the button to set a password, and then you can set the password for your account that you can use to log in going forward. So to access my Start Blogging theme, I am going to go into the downloads here. So you can see that I have the Start Blogging Collective listed here. Otherwise, you can also access your downloads on the left-hand side here where it says downloads, but I'm going to click on this here. So here we are on the downloads page. In the downloads section here, you will see all of the Start Blogging themes that you have available to you. And then down here under license keys, you don't currently see anything on this video, but you will have your license key listed here. And this will be the license key that you can use to connect to the Start Blogging Blocks cloud. And then on the right-hand side here, you'll see the number of activations. So you can see that I have connected to Start Blogging Blocks on 2 out of the 10 websites allotted to me. So for our website, I'm gonna be using the Discover theme. It is by far our most popular Start Blogging theme. And I think it is just a fantastic foundation to use for a blogging site. But every Start Blogging theme that we currently have and that we will release will have all of the pre-designed pages and the blog post outlines and everything that you need to get started with affiliate blogging. And so you can't really go wrong with any of them. So choose whichever Start Blogging theme matches your style and what you want your website to look like. So in order to download the Discover Start Blogging theme for Kadence, I'm going to click on the download button here next to the Discover. So that went and downloaded the Discover theme zip file. Now we're going to head back to our WordPress dashboard and we're going to get this imported in. So here I am back in the WordPress dashboard of my website. It's very, very easy to get a Start Blogging theme imported. So let's go over that now. So the very first thing that we want to do is we want to get the free Kadence theme installed and activated onto our website. So in order to do that, we're going to go over here on the left-hand side and hover over where it says Appearance, and then we're going to go to Themes. So here you can see a number of themes that came pre-installed with your website. It's usually a number of WordPress default themes that they have, and you can see the 2024 version is currently activated on my website. But what we want to do is we want to install and activate the Kadence theme. So we're going to go up to this button here and click Add New Theme. Then in the search bar here, I'm going to click in here and I'm going to type Kadence. And so it shows up right here. Here's the Kadence theme. I'm going to click the blue Install button. Once the Kadence theme is installed, that button will change to an Activate button. We're actually going to be activating our Start Blogging theme, so you don't technically need to activate the Kadence theme, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to activate it right now. So there you can see that the Kadence theme is now activated on our website. And these other default WordPress themes, I don't even need them. So I'm just going to go in and delete them. So you can go in here and just click on the theme details. And then you can come down to the bottom here where it says delete. I'm going to choose that. And then I'm going to confirm that I want to delete it. So I'll click OK. And I'm going to do that for the other default WordPress themes here as well. All right. So I've deleted all of the default WordPress themes on here. And all I have is the Kadence theme installed and activated on my website, which looks like this. So that's great. The only other plugin that we are going to need to get the Start Blogging theme imported in onto our website is the Kadence Starter Templates plugin. And once you install Kadence and activate it on your website, you'll see this little alert come up that says install Kadence Starter Templates. So you can click that for an easy one-click installation, which will also activate it. So I'm going to click the install button here. And if for whatever reason you don't see that button to install the Kadence Starter Templates plugin, it's very, very easy to install. On the left-hand side here, you can click on plugins. And so here we are on the plugins detail page. I'm going to click on the button that says add new plugin. And then in the search here, I'm going to type Kadence Starter Templates. So I type that and you can see that it says Starter Templates by Kadence WP. I've already installed and activated it with that simple one-click button. But like I said, if you don't see that for whatever reason, you can simply just click install and then activate here. Once the Kadence Starter Templates plugin is installed and activated on your website, you'll be brought to this page here. And so here are all the Kadence specific templates that their team has built. And so they have a number of really nice starter templates here. And you're more than welcome to start with one of these if you want, if you don't want to use a Start Blogging theme. But I will tell you that Start Blogging themes are like these templates, but on steroids. They have way, way more pages. They're built correctly. They are absolutely optimized for affiliate blogging. And so you're going to have a much bigger head start by using a Start Blogging theme versus one of the regular Kadence starter templates. So in order to get our Kadence Start Blogging theme installed and activated on our website now, we need to go and add another theme. So under appearance here on the left-hand side, I'm going to choose themes again. And like I said, we have Kadence installed and activated on here, but we're going to click the add new theme button. And now you'll see a new button that says upload theme. So choose that. And then you'll see this little file chooser come up. So you can click this and then you'll choose the Kadence Discover Child Theme zip file that you just installed from your Start Blogging 101 account. All right, so I clicked choose file and I chose that Discover zip file here. And all you have to do is click install now. And so then you'll be presented with this little screen here. And this is just checking to make sure that the Kadence theme is installed on your website because it needs that as the parent theme. And it says that the theme is installed successfully. So now all you have to do is click this middle button that says activate. So now you can see that the Discover Start Blogging theme is now activated on our website, and it does require the free Kadence theme to be installed on your website as well. Now, since we have the Discover theme installed and activated on our website is going to inherit all of the styles from that theme, but we still need to go and import in all of the content, which is going to be all of your pre-designed pages, all the blog post outlines, all of the optimized customizer settings, and everything else. So in order to do that, we need to go back to the Kadence Starter Templates plugin. So under appearance here, you'll see Kadence in the menu down here. And then underneath that, you'll see a Starter Templates option. So I'm going to choose that. And so here we are back on the Kadence Starter Templates page. And you'll see a little drop down up here that says Gutenberg. And if you choose this, you'll now see that there is a new Start Blogging 101 option. And that's because we have the Discover theme installed and activated on our website. So choose Start Blogging 101. Now, since we installed and activated the Discover theme, that pops up here. But whichever Start Blogging theme you installed and activated will show up here. So just click on that. And now here's a modal that says Import Starter Template. And so if I just open the import details here, and you'll see that it says required plugins and that Kadence Blocks is not installed. So all we need is the free Kadence Blocks plugin to use this. And if it's not already installed on your website, it's going to go and automatically install and activate it for you, which is really nice. So that's one less thing you have to do. But if you already have Kadence Blocks installed on your website, it will recognize that and say that it's already installed. And then if we open the advanced settings here, you can see that there are two toggles, and this is just saying that it's going to import in all of the customizer settings, which we want. And it's also going to import in all of the content. Like I said, that's the pre-designed pages, the blog post outlines, and everything else. So just click start importing and wait a few seconds and you'll be good to go. All right, awesome. So it says import complete, finished, view your site. So I'm going to click that. And so here you have it. We have the entire Discover theme installed and activated on your website. It has all of your pre-designed pages, your home page, your about page, your contact page, and your blog page. including some additional pages, which I'll show you in the back end here. And you can see that it has your name listed right here, and I will show you how to create your very own personalized logo for your brand, which is really, really cool in a later video in the course. But let's head back to the WordPress dashboard now and see what was all imported. So I'm gonna click on this little WordPress icon here to go back to the dashboard. And so here we are back on the WordPress dashboard. Let's look at the pages that were imported. So on the left-hand side here, you'll see that there are pages. So I'm gonna click that. And so here we are viewing the pages, and you'll see all of the pages that came imported in with the Discover theme. So we have our About page here, a blog page, the Coming Soon page, a contact page. This is a disclosure policy. This is just a draft. There's not gonna be anything in it. And then you have your home page, which is set as your front page. You have a links page and newsletter page. And then depending on your setup, you may see 2 privacy policy pages here. And the reason for that is because a draft was also imported in with the Discover theme. But if you do see 2 of them, you'll very likely see that one of them says privacy policy page and draft, and one just says draft. You can just trash the one that only says draft. It's not really a big deal. They're basically the same exact thing. So I'm gonna click the trash button here for this privacy policy page. And so now that's deleted and we only have the one privacy policy page. All right, great. That's all of our pages. Now let's go quickly look at the blog posts. So on the left-hand side here at the very top, you'll see a post option. So I'm gonna choose that. And here we have all of the various blog post outlines that came imported in with the Discover theme. Now, many times when you first start a website, you will have this Hello World blog post. It's just a sample blog post that they include. It doesn't do anything. So you can come over here to the trash button and trash that. All right, so that's trash, and that leaves our product review outline and then 3 different listicle posts. And these are full blog post outlines that you can use to help you start blogging, which I will show you how to use step by step in a later video. Now I want to just show you the mini dedicated library of blocks that comes pre-installed with your Start Blogging theme and show you a little bit of how you can use that. So in order to see that, all you need to do is open any post or page. And so here I am on the blog post on the left-hand side here. And I'm just gonna choose this sample product review post here. So I'm gonna click that. And once you have the Kadence Blocks plugin installed and activated on your website, which it already did when it went to import in the Discover theme, you'll see that there is a new Kadence Design Library button that shows at the top of posts and pages here. So I'm gonna click that. And once the Kadence Design Library opens, you can see that it's on the Kadence tab here. And so these are all the Kadence specific templates and pages that they have built that you can use to help build out your website. But you'll also see that there is another tab here that says SBT Discover. And so this tab will be for whatever Start Blogging theme that you installed and activated on your website. So I'm gonna choose this tab here. And here is that mini dedicated library of blocks that I was talking about that comes pre-installed with your Start Blogging theme. So on the left-hand side here, there are different categories that you can look at. So you can see if I choose full pages here, these are all the full pages that we use to build the Discover theme. And so if you're ever in your website and you're messing around with a page and you screw something up or you change something and you don't know how to get it back and you want to start from the get-go, you can simply import in the entire full page template here with one click, which is super nice. And then below full pages here, we have sections. So I'm going to choose that. So here are all the individual sections that we use to build the theme. And so if you're just messing with a specific little section, or if you want to add a section from one page onto a different page, you can come in here and just import each of these with one click as well. And then below sections here is elements. And so these are all individual elements. For example, these are sidebar elements here that you can use in your sidebar. This is a little affiliate disclaimer that you can use on your affiliate blog post, which I'll show you in a later video. We have a custom footer down here. And so this is really nice for being able to just add some additional little elements to your website. And then the last item here on the left-hand side are the blog post outlines. So I'm going to choose that. And so here are all the entire blog post outlines here. Here's the product review one, and then the 3 different listicle ones. So if you're ever starting out a new blog post and you want to start with one of these outlines, you simply come up to the Kadence Design Library, you choose this, and then you can choose any of these blog post outlines and get started in no time. So here I am back on the blog post page, and many times I get asked, hey Jake, if I go into one of these blog post outlines and I change it, can I ever get it back, or should I copy it over, or what? And no, you do not need to. That's why we included those in the mini dedicated library of blocks with each theme, so that if you're ever starting a new blog post, you can start from scratch really easily using the cloud, and you don't need to worry about having these copied over or anything, because it's just an exact replica, saved off as a template in the cloud. And that also holds true for your pages. So if I go into pages here, so if you come in here and you're messing around with different pages and you're like, I wonder if I should copy one of these over so I can save that template, you don't need to, because the entire pages and all of those templates are all saved in the cloud. And that's a really convenient feature that Kadence Cloud allows us to do. So there you have it. I showed you how to download and import in your Start Blogging theme onto your brand new website. And I also showed you the mini dedicated library of blocks that we include with each Start Blogging theme and the importance of that and how easy it is to use to start a new post or a page. In the next videos, I'll be showing you how to connect to the Start Blogging Blocks library so you can get full access to the hundreds of additional templates that you can mix and match on your website for endless customization. And then I'll also have a video showing you all of the plugins that you need to get onto your website and how to set those up as well. That's all I have for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.